morning, good afternoon, and good evening, respect to your locations and time zones. Happy New Year to you all. This is my first video on YouTube. Publicly, come up finally. So today's topic is style the broken images, right? Let me ask you one question. Why we style our website or blogs? You might say to have a user-friendly behavior, more interaction, perform well, to look and feel should be better, right? That's why we style our website. You style, you have animations, lot in the your websites. But what happened if your images are broken? And that might be with server not responding, right? Or you mistakenly or accidentally you put wrong path, right? You might feel that your images are broken. But what happened? Why not to style them? Yes, I'm talking about broken images. Style the broken images. We can fix it. So in next 5 minutes, you will learn about how to fix a broken images and how to style them to look feel better. If it is not loaded, it doesn't look ugly because a picture says have 1,000 words. A picture worth 1,000 words. That's why I'm forcing you to style the broken images. Thank you. All right, guys. So consider this as a web page. Our topic is to style broken images, right? So in this our page we have three sections, each section having a top image, card title, description and call to CTA button, right? Now you might ask question, where is the broken image you are going to fix, right? So your style of broken images is a fix when we have a broken image, right? First we have to understand what is a broken image. So image can be broken in 2 or 3 or 4 or might be several scenarios. Okay, so I'm generating one scenario. Suppose you by accidentally or by intentionally you put a wrong path of the image, this get broken, right? So go to the snippet code. I'm changing the source and this source image is not available. So if you see this page, these two cards having properly image, title, description and call to CTA. And if you see the first one, this is the image gets broken, right? So this is a broken image. Now we have a root cause. This is a broken image, right? Now we have to style this. And why I'm forcing to style the broken images? There are two things. Because of the new algorithm from Google for search engine optimization, if your image does not have reserved space, then it might impact your SEO ranking. Another is cumulative layout shift, that is also impacting if you are not reserving your image spacing. So if you see, if I'm refreshing the page, cards get shifting, right, from top to bottom. See, they are shifting. So if I go to the matrix of layout shift, if you see this matrix, it is saying your page having cumulative layout shift 0.0028, right? So with this problem I also can fix this one, but we'll more focus on style broken images. So we have a broken image. Now let's fix it. To overcome this, let's go to the code. Okay, let me create one style.css file. I recommend you use a preprocessors of style because that helps to maintain the code and reusable, right? This is a small demo, so I'm using the CSS file. So highly recommend to use less and CSS files. So first I created the CSS file. Now we target the property of this class to override and style the broken images. Why I picked this section? This is the class which is of image class. Okay, now there's some properties we have to use. The first property is display block. Make the display block width, give it 100% so it can occupy the card whole width. Okay, height is the main key factor here, 175. Why I'm putting this 175? There's a reason. I told you, right, we are reserving some space so that it will not shift. We are solving two problems in this section. First one, styling the broken image, and the second one is cumulative layout shift, right? Our card gets shifted when we refresh in the page, right? So by reserving the space, it will not shift, right? So first thing is done. Let's save this. Okay, let me add one more property, position relative. So what I did, I reserved the space of the particular section. Let's see, if you refresh the page, shifting is gone, right? Now let's see the matrix here. Layout shift is 0. Now we are 100% good here. Okay, we achieve one thing. Now our topic is style broken image, still pending, right? I did not style it, still seen broken image. Now jump into the code again. I'm sorry. So now what you have to do, you must stop and play with the pseudo elements. So pseudo elements, with the help of this, I'm overriding that section, the broken image. I'm hiding that, and in place of that I'm putting some different kind of things. So what we can do is, I'll create one flexbox which help our content horizontally center, align item center, vertical center, then occupy the same width, the parent width, like card image top having 100%, they occupy the card's whole width. So this pseudo element also occupy the same space. Height 100%, whatever it is, 175, so it occupy the parents. The position is absolute. Okay, now let's see what is happening. Let me save this file. Let's see what happened. This one, come to the browser. See, still nothing is happening, right? So what is pending? Okay. So if you see, this is a pseudo element. Pseudo element works with the property content. If this is a mandatory, if you miss that property, your pseudo element will not reflect it. If I see here, still nothing happened, right? So what happened, I need to put some background so that you can see what exactly happening here. You can put any color. This is, I like this color, so I'm putting this one. Now we have seen this background is coming, but still this broken image is still not solved, right? So what we'll do, we have position absolute, then we can target top should be 0 and left should be 0, and we are done. See, this occupies the space, reserve the space, cumulative layout shift 0, and this is not broken, and alignment of each card is perfectly aligned, equal height, right? We refresh, only image gets changed. Okay, addition to that, we have just background color, right? If we write something like in the banners, if you see the title or something you want to write. For images, we have alt text, or you can have any additional attributes you want to showcase. In the content section, which is empty now, we can have attr. So I'm just using alt text, so which helps to render our alt text. See, this is alt text. Yep, this is done, guys. If you have any questions, any doubts, just comment in my comment sections. Thank you, keep watching. Thank you for your feedback and support.